2020 Honda Talon Graves exhaust installation. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this rear heat shield, and there are 4 6mm bolts with 10mm heads that hold this heat shield on this side. There are 2, and then 2 on this side. We're going to remove the 2 12mm head spring-loaded exhaust flange bolts. The next thing we're going to do is remove these 6 6mm Allens of a flanged button head bolt. So you want to be careful to make sure that you use a good Allen wrench to remove those. There's 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. After we remove those 6mm Allens, it loosens up this bracket so that you can slide the rubber grommet off of the posts to hold the stock silencer in place. And after you get the right side removed, get someone to support the right side while someone else removes the left side rubber. Here. Now we're going to install the Graves exhaust system. Where you take the Graves spigot and flange and use the stock bolts and springs. Install the tailpipe. It's pretty simple. Slip that over the spigot, slide that in place, and then we'll add the silencer. So I'm going to show you there's a flanged hat washer and a post. There'll be 4 of each of those that go through the rubber grommet and hold the silencer on. The kit comes with the 4 posts, the 4 hat washers, and 4 bolts. And they go through those rubber grommets, and the posts go out and mount to these brackets, one on each side. And this way we use the stock rubber mounts so that the system can float for long life. The thing we'll do is install the hat washers into the rubber grommets. Okay. Next we'll put the bolts through the hat washer and through the posts with the step side facing the rubber grommet. Get all 4 of those in place. Take the silencer and we'll slide this up into place, slip it over the pipe. It's nice if you have an extra hand to help you here. We'll hold that up in place. And we'll get the first one in finger tight. Once we have them finger tight, it'll hold itself in place, and then we can torque up the bolts. So now that we've got the 8mm bolts tightened to 24 Newton meters, we can install the springs from the tailpipe to the silencer, and then from the tailpipe to the flange